Every time oil spills, the world slips. From wild riches to global panic, this is the century-long ride you never saw coming. It began in 1901, Texas. A geyser of oil exploded from the ground at Spindletop. It was fast, loud, and impossible to ignore. America had struck black gold. By World War I, oil wasn't just fuel, it was firepower. Tanks, planes, fleets all ran on crude. And demand? It doubled in just 4 years. By 1920, fear took over. Headlines screamed about shortages. Prices jumped to $3 a barrel, not on supply, but on sentiment. Then came the crash. The 1930s pulled the world into depression. Demand collapsed. Oil prices dropped to just a few cents. Fields overflowed. In 1938, Mexico made a bold move. It nationalized its oil. The world didn't blink, but a new era had begun. Countries were reclaiming control from corporations. World War II turned oil into a rationed lifeline. Governments took over. Prices froze. Pipelines fed to the front lines. 1948 marked a turning point. For the first time, the US became a net importer. The world's biggest producer was now dependent. The Suez Canal closed in 1956. Europe panicked. Supply chains snapped. But oil prices? They barely moved. Not every disruption hits the charts. 1960. OPEC is born. 5 countries came together to stop the West from calling the shots. Nobody took it seriously. Not yet. Then came the wake-up call. 1973. The Arab oil embargo. Prices shot from $3 to $12. The West realized oil wasn't just fuel. It was leverage. 6 years later, Iran erupted. Revolution on the streets. Oil off the markets. Prices soared past $30. The fear was global. In 1986, OPEC turned on itself. A price war triggered a supply glut. Prices collapsed by more than half. Boom met bust. The Gulf War in 1990 spiked oil past $40. But the war ended quickly, and so did the panic. Then Asia crashed. Currencies collapsed. Demand vanished. Oil fell below $10 and kept falling. 2003, another war in Iraq. Venezuela too was in crisis. Oil crossed $40 again. Geopolitics ruled the barrel. 2008 was chaos. Oil hit $147, the highest ever. Then the global economy collapsed. Oil fell to $34, a modern supercycle broken. In 2014, OPEC refused to cut output. Oversupply drowned the market. Prices sank below $30 again. And then came 2020. Planes grounded. Demand erased. For the first time ever, oil futures turned negative. You literally had to pay someone to take it. Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022. Prices jumped past $120. Energy became a weapon again. In 2023, OPEC Plus stepped in. Surprise production cuts held prices between $70 and $90. A controlled fire. By 2024, the world was shifting. Renewables surged. Fossil fuel investment slowed. The transition wasn't coming. It was already here. Now in 2025, the big question remains, has oil demand peaked? The IEA says yes. Exxon says not yet. Investors are watching. Governments are acting. For over a century, oil has powered wars, economies, and empires. Its future may be in question, but its grip on the world, still tight. Watch this space. We've only hit pause, not the end.